Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. The agent is powerful out of the box, but real setups need extras, a linter integration here, a project scaffold there. In Lesson 13, we extend antigravity with plugins, which bundle new commands, skills, and integrations into a single install. Gemini CLI's extensions are now antigravity plugins, so a whole toolkit arrives at once. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are back at the shell. Let's install a plugin, list what we've got, and toggle one on and off. The plugin install subcommand adds a new plugin to your setup. A single one can bundle commands, skills, and integrations together, so instead of wiring up pieces by hand, you pull in an entire toolkit in one step. Watch it fetch and register the plugin. It pulls the package, unpacks the commands and skills it carries, and hooks them into your session, ready to use without any further configuration on your part. Now the plugin list subcommand shows everything installed. You can see each plugin's name, its version, and whether it's currently enabled, which gives you a clean inventory of what's extending the agent right now. Say you want to quiet one down for a while. The plugin disable subcommand deactivates a plugin without removing it, so its commands go dormant but all its assets stay right where they are on disk. And when you need it back, the plugin enable subcommand switches it on again instantly. Because nothing was deleted, there's no reinstall, no re-download, just a flip from off to on and you're working with it once more. One thing worth knowing, because extensions from Gemini CLI carry straight across as plugins, the ecosystem you already relied on comes with you, and adding a whole capability is a single command away. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The plugin install subcommand adds a plugin that can bundle commands, skills, and integrations at once. Listing what is installed is just as easy, and that subcommand gives you a clean inventory of everything extending the agent. The enable and disable subcommands toggle a plugin on or off without removing its assets, so there is no reinstall. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 14, where we import your Gemini CLI extensions into Antigravity.